On today's battlefield, seconds decide outcomes. But critical knowledge? It's trapped in manuals, PDFs, and disconnected systems. Warfighters shouldn't stop to search. Maintainers shouldn't guess. Operators shouldn't fail because knowledge isn't at the point of mission. The battlefield has evolved. Complexity is rising. Training hasn't kept pace. We deliver ambient intelligence, knowledge where work happens, real time, step by step, no setbacks. From a flight line to the tactical edge, operators execute faster and stay mission ready. Let's deploy the missing layer in your defense stack.